How to use MyASUS Diagnostics function. MyASUS is an all-in-one software suite that integrates software, hardware, and product information of your laptop. It offers easy access to PC performance optimization, system maintenance, software updates, and contacting ASUS after-sales or customer support. The MyASUS Diagnostic feature is a tool that helps you to assess the health and performance of your ASUS PCs. The one-click scan feature can quickly and easily initiate a comprehensive scan of your PC, helps you stay informed about your system's health and performance with minimal effort. For customized diagnosis, you can adjust scan parameters or the scenario you're encountering, such as wireless issues or system slowdowns, for greater control, gain deeper insights, and address issues effectively. After diagnostics, you can follow the suggested methods here to resolve your issues, such as related support FAQs, contact ASUS, or applying online repairs for further assistance. MyASUS Diagnostics. You can easily troubleshoot to keep your laptop running smoothly and up to date. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.